Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard. Where have you been? What are you doing? And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I am giving you guys my thoughts and opinion on this kinky straight unit. But before we begin, if you like wig tutorials and if you love to see how units look before purchasing, if you like clothing hauls and some black love and travel vlogs, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys soon. So today I am reviewing another Sensational Curls, Kinks & Co. unit. You guys, that was my very first video on my channel ever. I was the first person to put a review out for that unit. I was new to YouTube, didn't know what I was doing. I looked it up and saw it was a new unit, and I bought it, reviewed it, and posted it on my YouTube channel. So if you have not checked out my very first video, make sure you guys do so today. And below I have some other units to the Curls, Kinks & Co. collection that I reviewed on this channel. So today I am reviewing Angel Face. This is what the card looks like, this beautiful, gorgeous black queen. And it's part of their collection. Here are some specialty colors that it comes in. And it talks about maintenance and the hairline and all those things. I got it in the color Money Peace Caramel, and it has a deep center part with baby hairs, and it's ear to ear soft lace, easy self application, can be styled as an updo, natural look and feel, and it's for all curl types from 3B to 4C. And I got this unit from Ebonyline, so shout out to them for kindly sending me this unit. It ranges on their website for $30, so make sure you guys check them out. The link is listed below. And I like this unit. It's so cute. It definitely has a kinky straight like texture to it, and so far there's minimal tangling. This is a synthetic wig, so they're not meant to last forever, but there is a little bit of tangling and a little bit of shedding on this unit as well. I will definitely say the cap size is really big head friendly. I have a medium size head, so I did have to go in and adjust the adjustable straps back there to almost close to the tightest setting. It has two combs in the front, one comb in the back, adjustable straps back there, and it is ear to ear on me. I did not want to lay down the edges or anything like that. This is honestly a lot of hair. It is thick and it will bring heat to your neck. So keep that in mind if this is something that you want to wear throughout the rest of the summer. I would suggest having this in your back closet for fall, because boy oh boy, I'm telling you right now, I'm hot. I am hot. There is so much heat on my neck from this unit. But it is a nice length, if you guys can see. And I will give you guys a 360. So yes, definitely a lot of hair. It has a nice amount of thickness to it. I don't feel like anything as I'm running my fingers through as far as the cap and, you know, the texture, but I like this unit. It's cute. I really do enjoy the Curls, Kinks & Co collection. When they first came out with their very first unit, the texture of the first unit was like, it like reminded me of like a half a wig. I wasn't a huge fan of it. I wanted to try something different, which was more on like the natural side, because that's not typically me. But yeah, the texture of the hair felt like what's the word I'm looking for? It felt like more coarse. But this does have like a softer texture to it. I feel like they did, you know, a little bit of trial and error, because this collection came out with so many units. And I appreciate the fact that it's catered to like the natural type of style. But it says it's 100% premium fiber, tailored texture. So I do like this collection from Sensationnel. I do think that these companies are starting to cater towards us black queens a little bit more. And I do appreciate it. And this color is giving me some Rogue from X-Men vibes. So it's so cute. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It was super quick, easy, straight to the point, you know. If you like wig tutorials and if you love to see how units look, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.